Hey YouTube, Dutchman Modern Repairs here with another update on the generator enclosure. Have the roof on, the corrugated roofing. This is, I don't know if they call it smoked or black, but anyhow, I have that on, finally put on with the framing. And in the back here, I have some gate hinges. I think those are 8-inch. I forget right off the top of my head how they measure those, whether it's overall or whether it's just the halfway. But you know, basically from there to the hinges is 8 inches. So I don't know if they call them 8-inch hinges or 16-inch hinges. But basically got the sides closed in. Still have some stuff on up on top there. That's got to be finished up. Perfect timing. The AC turns on. You gotta love it. So hopefully you can still hear me. But anyhow, I thought this was going to be really heavy, and it's actually not too bad. I mean, it's not light, but I only got one hand. I've got one hand lifting up here, but you can see that 2x4 that's on the bottom there, and there's another one that's laid up in there. I actually cut those in length. Those are what I'm going to use in some fashion. At least for right now, I just pull them out and then set them up vertically as a support on here. I don't think that right now I'm going to need any kind of, like, you know, strut or rear glass support type, you know, strut or shot type support thing to go in here. I was thinking I might need to, but I'm not envisioning myself having to open this very high, and certainly not in very inclement weather. So anyways, that's where things are at. I'd say this roof probably weighs 50 pounds. 45, 50 pounds would be my guess. And I hope you guys can hear over that AC unit. I apologize over that, the other hinge over here. I just put them in with 2.5-inch stainless steel screws. I was unable to find a stainless steel gate hinge. That's really what I want. The stainless steel on the back there, because even though it's galvanized, at some point it's going to start to rust. But yeah, it's already been in the rain, not a big deal. I haven't quite figured out what I want to do from a fascia standpoint or closing in. You know, obviously I need to close in here, but I'm not sure what I want to do on the back, closing in here for, like, you know, kind of an eave type thing, whether I want to make it airtight or semi-airtight. And those are some of the things I'm still working through from a design standpoint. Got my grounding rod back there, some other stuff that's going to get run into the house, or come out of the house, actually going back to my shed, power and internet cable stuff, but whatever. All right, so that's the latest update. I think the next thing I'm going to do is I have to get gas lines run out here, and yeah, you can see a little bit of we've had some wet weather here, so let's have to sand that down. Get those. I just basically threw Thompson seal on right there, just to get it, you know, protected a little bit. So I'm working on it just kind of a little bit on the time. But anyways, the next two things we've got to do is get gas kind of run out, so I can run my quick disconnect line, and then my electrical, which is going to come basically on the other side of this, behind the AC there. My stove is here, and it's gas now running off, all the electronics run off of 120, but the 15-amp circuit is right there, and I'm actually going to use that. I'm going to put a plug outlet in there, and then I'll just run a temporary line for right now. I don't think I'm going to do conduit, because I haven't quite decided how I want to do it, and that may take some time to get that settled in my mind. And so for now, at least want to have the ability to, you know, hook the generator up quickly. And if it's too much of a hassle doing it, you know, with the plug, and I end up going to conduit, I'll at least know why, and maybe save a few pennies in the process. We'll see. Obviously the door's still got to go in the front, but gas and electric's next. And then I think what I'm gonna do is start doing some sound tests once I get the stuff closed in up here, and I'll just fire the generator up and get some dB readings with the generator, just maybe setting inside. Maybe I'll lift the roof up, kind of prop it up, like I would be working on something, maybe if it was running, and I'll get some dB readings, not with that stupid thing over there running. And obviously some dB readings through the whole course of this, because I really want to see, you know, how things improve or don't improve the sound reduction. So that will definitely be part of different videos coming along. So I appreciate you watching. Got any questions or comments, leave those down below. Otherwise, please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing here. Otherwise, have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.